Good morning, guys. So on a previous video, we host our website on S3. Now we need to connect S3 to our domain. Okay. So first, we have a few steps like create S3 bucket that we are done. We make the S3 files public, and then we need to register and connect our domain to Route 53. So first of all, let's open Route 53. There's a two option. One, like we can just register a new domain. If you already have the domain, we need to copy a name server to your domain registrar. Okay. So I already have the domain. So I'm going to create a zones. So we are using our own domain, trackcode.com. Okay. Here we are going to make it public, and then we just create that. Once we create, we get a list of name servers that we need to route to AWS. Okay. So let's copy those name servers. Our domain is hosted in Bedrock. Over here, we need to update the name servers. The old name server is pointing to Bedrock. We need to change that. This is a new name server. So you can see it over here. Sometimes they are not supporting that ending dot, so we need to remove that. So it's done. The name server got updated. So now we are going to create a record for connecting with the S3 endpoint. Okay, so we need to select traffic to Alias to S3 endpoint. Then we need to select the region, and once you click over here, you can see the S3 website. It's a fasttrack.com. So here you need to make sure that S3 bucket name should be fasttrack.com. Okay, then only you can able to find that, and you can just able to connect it. Okay, let's create the record. So once record is created, it will take a little time to sync. So it's in a pending state, you can see. Sometime it will take 5 to 10 minutes, or like maximum you can say 4 hours. So it's in sync now. If we check the fasttrackcode.com, yeah, now it is getting connected. Next video we can connect, like currently it is like pure HTTP, so we can just connect with HTTPS. Okay, thank you.